In this video, we will look at the predefined wallboards that come with iPECS analytics. Both standard wallboards and group wallboards available to the Advanced Supervisor. You can find the wallboards under the Dashboard menu item. The Company Wallboard, Extension Wallboard, and the DDI Wallboard make up our standard wallboards. The ACD, Hunt, Agent Status, Agent Call Summary, and Group Call Summary are our group wallboards. The latter are only visible on the menu if you're an Advanced Supervisor. Reports generate historical information. Wallboards show current information updated in real time. The Company Wallboard shows key information about call activity across the whole company. Because of this, the total calls figure will often count up more than one call for an external caller, as we are looking across the whole company. A caller often interacts with more than one person. All of this activity is included on the Company Wallboard. For example, a call answered by an auto attendant that then is routed to an extension via a group is 2 calls, one for the caller interacting with the auto attendant, and one for the caller talking to the extension. A very useful tile on this wallboard is the unreturned missed call tile, showing the telephone number of callers that have not been answered. This allows you to organise a callback for the caller. Because wallboards are real time, after you call the caller back, the entry will disappear from the tile, and the users performing callback can move on to the next call on the list. The Extension Wallboard shows a summary of call information for extensions. Like a carousel, the KPI information changes to show the call summary information for each extension one at a time. Clearly, if there are a lot of extensions, it can take some time for an extension to be displayed again. There are 2 ways to limit the wallboard to information important to you. We can use a filter to limit the extension. Wallboards that display information on more than one item, such as the Extension Wallboard, allow you to filter which items are included. Click on the plus sign in the filter bar to open up the filter area. Here you can limit the items being displayed. Even with a filter, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the amount of information displayed in the wallboards. We can use thresholds to make important information stand out in the wallboard, so we can quickly see problems. With thresholds, we can change the colour of a KPI when a threshold is breached. So as the display scrolls between the extensions, the colour allows us to quickly spot problems or exceptions. Again, we will take a closer look at thresholds towards the end of the video. Moving on to the DDI wallboard, this operates in a similar manner to the Extension Wallboard, displaying information about each DDI. However, currently there is no filters on the DDI wallboard. Advanced Supervisors can use the pre-built group and agent wallboards. The first of these, the Agent Status Wallboard, shows the state of agents in each group, ACD groups or Hunt group. The state changes as the extension to make or receive calls. Other states such as Do Not Disturb are also shown. Team leaders can use the Status Wallboard to quickly see the numbers of free agents and who in the team can be made available during busy times. The ACD Group Wallboard offers real-time information about your ACD group. Calls in queue, longest wait allowing real-time resourcing decisions. It also shows information for the day, such as total calls offered to the group. At the bottom is the agent summary table show the group-related activity of the group members. The Hunt Group Wallboard performs a similar role for Hunt groups. Whilst it cannot see inside the Hunt group, the wallboard information for the day and agent information is updated in real time, again allowing the supervisor to make resourcing information. The Group Summary Wallboard summarises activity across all your Hunt group and ACD groups in a single screen.